today we're going to be looking at unknown angles. So what that means is they're going to ask us for theta. So say this is my unknown angle. So they have to give me two other pieces of information. So the question would either give me this and maybe this. Okay, that's all. And then they'll ask me to find theta. Now, as you know, Pythagoras here will be redundant because Pythagoras only helps me find side length. And now I'm after angles, right? So let's go to our steps. First one is label. We always label according to theta. So this is my opposite, this is my adjacent, and this is my hypotenuse. If I miss this step, I'm guaranteed to get it wrong. 2, tick the information you have. Okay, where's the information I have? I have 3 centimeters, which is opposite, and I have a hypotenuse, which is 20 centimeters. Okay, so I have a hypotenuse and an opposite. Write down the ratios and pick the next one. So pick or choose the right ratio. So it's always helpful at the top of your sheet to write your SOHCAHTOA. So then you can pick. So what am I looking for? Something that has an O and something that has a H, because I've ticked those two. So O and a H happens to be a sine. So I'm going to write down, always write down your sine. So sine, always write down, your ratio. Okay, and then fill in the information you've got. Do I have a theta? No, I don't. What's my opposite here? My opposite, according to my diagram, is 3. And my hypotenuse, which I've labelled, is 20. Now, to work out theta, I need to do, so I like to write shift sine to remember that this is an angle. And whenever you're working with angles, you're going to always press the shift button. So that's why I write it as part of my working out. Shift sine helps me remember. And then always give them the angle in degrees, minutes, and seconds, and always round your answer off at the end according to the question. So we might say to the nearest degree, so make sure you put degree there, nearest minutes, nearest seconds. If you're not sure how to do that, watch my video on how to do angle rounding or how to find angles with a calculator.